everyone. Let's take a look at a couple of trades I made in ES in December 22nd, which was actually Wednesday. So December 22nd, 2021. So as usual, you do have um, the ES. The ES, which is the Standard and Poor's 500, S&P 500, and then so you have these 30 minutes in the left, and you see the trades that I made were here. Actually, it is not a really good entry just because we are just below resistance right there. So I took the trades here. One, it's a profitable trade, and the other one is not. So you see the market. Let me open this a little bit here so you can see what is the trend. So there's a bunch of trades here that I made a big mistake in this day. But then the market kept going up and then kept going up, and now we are here, and then we're trying to break to the upside once more. Um, so as support, we do have the 50, and then we're breaking this. We're breaking this resistance right there, out of there. That I was looking at this resistance, which was kind of like more hard resistance, if you will, because we do have the Darvas. We do have one touch, two touches, three touches, maybe a fourth touch there. So I thought that when this one was going to break, it was going to break hard, but it didn't. It came back down and then tried to break again, and then finally it did. So I took the trades here, and it took a little bit of wiggle up and down that took me out, and I didn't take advantage of this run. But I was expecting this run to happen, and I was probably not looking at the market when it did. So yeah, that's that. So let's recenter this a little bit. The 22nd right here. So you see that we do have two trades this day. So let me expand it a little bit to see what happened here, and then I'm gonna show as well what happened later in the Renko chart. So basically, prematurely I did enter this trade. It was a loss of $175. So what happened is that I took it a little bit late out of here. Probably I was kind of like this is something that you need to consider. The fear of missing out is not really a good mindset. If the trade is gone, it's gone. So just leave it there, and especially when you have resistance there. What probably I was looking at was this break, and then I kind of like saw that it was started to move up, and then I just jump in. There's no strategy here. This is not really a good idea to do. So what happened here is that I entered, moved to like 4 ticks up, or so. Yeah, each one of these are 2 ticks, so probably 4 ticks up and then reverse. So when it reversed, I moved out, and that is $175 loss in the two lots. Then the second time that went up, I this one is a kind of a good entry. Not really good because we're still within the chop zone, below this previous high right here. So let me go back a little bit. So you have one target up, one target, and then this is the first target. So you have um, the first target out at this level 46.44. You can see it right there, and then the second target was out there for 375 on the total uh, on the total trade. Now, if let me see, so we can look at the left in here. There is resistance is still acting in here, right? So this is a pivot high and then went down and you form a pivot low here. So in this area, it's probably not that safe to trade. Um, put um, let's put this region right here. So you measure from here to there and probably even there. So there's a pivot high and a pivot low. So let's put it there. Market sentiment is still moving up, so most likely it's going to resume the trend to the up direction. But you see up there, up there, up there, and came back down to similar lows right here. So then you go and finally break. So I missed this one. It was kind of like late in the morning for me. So, but this one was early in the morning, so I was able to take, these two trades. Then the market kept moving up. So there's a good opportunities right here. Here is one, here is two, here is three. Then it started to chop a little bit, and then probably you want to move. Um, you want to stay away in this chop zone, right? So lunchtime happened, and then and then in the afternoon it started to break once again, moving to the upside. See what if you see the 30 minutes, you know everything that it's pointing in this chart is to the upside. So you have this candle here, you have this big candle here, some chop zone waiting for it to come back to the moving average right there, and then went up, 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 and then finally closed in the highest of the day. So yeah, that is those are the trades I made on Wednesday, um, um, December 22nd, 2021. Thanks for watching.